Hi dear Geminis, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay, and the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, the roles can be vice versa. And this is a reading from today till the end of August. Okay, let's start Gemini. How are you guys doing by the way? It's long time no see kind of situation. I was very sick in between and that's why I was not able to make the video like showing my face, and I got the results very bad. So I thought that I should let you see my lovely face. Yeah. So yeah, let me yeah. So Gemini, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is your partner's current energy right now is Gemini. Page of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like your partner wants to reconnect with you. They want to send you some kind of text. They want to send you some kind of message. And for some of you, if you guys are married, this is a good news of getting a baby, or you're just conceiving or something like that. So it's related to reproduction as well. Might be if you guys are married, and this obviously your partner should be a female and they are just conceiving a baby or got a good news or they have something to tell you related to this. Yeah, let's clarify the page of pentacles in their current energy, Gemini. Let's see. I hope I'm audible to you guys, right? I am, right? Yeah. Let's clarify the page of pentacles in their current energy, Gemini. Let's clarify the page of pentacles. Okay, calm. Strength could be dealing with the Leo here, the Queen of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Again, there are two pages here. High chances of conceiving a baby, high chances of fertility. And if you guys are not ready to have a kid, please use precautions. Okay, so this is the first message that I want to tell you, Gemini. So yeah, I feel like this person is holding back from a very long time, and this person was not telling exactly what they're going through. They were just silent. They were very silent and they were concealing their feelings, trying to hide their feelings. They were like, yeah, I don't need you, back off, I don't need you in my life. This is the situation here, Gemini. Now they are feeling really passionate about you. Now they are feeling like they should text you, they should reconnect with you. They should might be for some of you, for some of you this is reconciliation as well. But yes, definitely this person wants to text you. Definitely this person wants to start the conversation with you, because there are two pages, and pages are definitely for messages. They are the messengers, and this person right now is feeling like right now their current energy is right, like, yeah, I just want to text, I just want to connect, I just want to see how this person is doing in their life, when what is happening with them right now, Gemini. This is their current energy. Let's see, Gemini, what's your current energy? Your current energy right now is, Gemini, let's see. Your current energy right now is, Gemini. Knight of Swords. I feel like you are feeling like you should just run towards something or someone. Okay, you are just in an energy of rushing towards something and hurried energy right now. This is the Knight of Swords. This is not at all stable energy. This is not at all a stable mind or emotional stability. This is just not thinking about anything, just rushing towards something and might and or something or someone. But it is not a stable energy at all. You have all the courage of the universe, you have all the jazz and zeal of the universe, but I don't feel like this is a stable energy, and this is like hurried energy, rushing towards something, because might be a feeling like this something will run away, or there will, this something or someone will, you're just fearful about something in your life, and that's why you're just trying to, all the cards are jumping here. Let me reshuffle. Yeah, so right now you are not at all at peace, Gemini. Your mind is wandering here and there. You are feeling like exceptionally restless right now. King of Swords in your cards. So from Knight of Swords, you are getting to the King of Swords. Then the Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus here. King of Cups. Then the love aspect. So you are feeling like you should rush towards somebody, because you were feeling like, I was hiding from them, I was ready to get married to them, I was just concealing my feelings. Okay, so right now you are in this zone of, okay, lots of hide and seek. Leave this hide and seek part of yours. Now I'm ready to marry this person, or commit to this person, or propose this person because I love them. This is your current energy. You were trying to hide your feelings from a might be a very long time. You tried your best to conceal your feelings, hide your feelings, and just be very clear about them that you don't need them. But no, you are feeling very deeply for them. You are feeling like you should marry them, or you should just reconnect with them, and you should just have a long term committed connection with them. Okay, because you have lots of emotions for them. You still carry lots of love and emotions for them, and that's why you are feeling like you should rush towards them without even thinking. You are feeling like, although you're feeling like, yeah, enough of thinking, enough of concealing, hiding, I just want this person back in my life right now. You are just trying to rush towards them. Yeah, in according to your point of view, you are not rushing towards them at all. But according to the cards, I'm feeling like you are rushing towards them without even thinking, and that may create some kind of chaos, or some kind of disagreement between you guys. But yeah, although this person also feels like they should connect with you, reconnect with you, but I don't feel like this person is right now ready to have commitment or this kind of stuff in their life. Although you are very ready, seemingly you are very ready. Okay, in your mind you are deeply ready for this. So let's see, Gemini, what this person feels for you. Actually, their feelings for you, let's see. Ten of Swords. Okay, so right now I feel like, although this is a scary card for some people, I feel like this card is something that is like the worst is over. Now we can restart again. This is their feelings for you. See, again, I'm telling you, this person wants to reconnect with you, and now this person is feeling like, yeah, the worst is over. This is the worst that could happen between us. Now the worst is over. Now we can restart. Now we can restart this connection all over again. Let's give this another chance. Let's give this connection another chance. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords as their feelings for you. Let's see. This card is like literally coming out. See, this is card of reconciliation. This is Three of Cups energy. Then this is Eight of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. Yeah. So yes, this person is feeling like the worst is over now. Now you guys can reconcile with each other. Now you guys can work on this connection. Now you guys should put in effort, put in energy in this connection, and uplift the burden. I feel like you both are feeling the burden, some kind of burden on your shoulders, on their shoulders. Like, this is not going to work out. Let's not make this hell. Let's go away from each other. I feel like you guys were in this energy from a very long time. Might be not very long time, but yeah, you guys are feeling this energy from a very long time. Now this is the time to reconcile their feelings. These are their feelings for you. They are feeling like this is the time to reconcile again. They want to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection. Now they are feeling like they are ready to take the burden, to uplift the burden, you can say, or to take the responsibility or take the burden. This is Ten of Swords. This is the Ten of Wands. So basically it is like the restart, ending and restart, ending and restart. Okay, now they are ready to put in the take the responsibility and take the burden of this connection. This is what is happening. This is their current feelings for you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Queen of Cups. Oh, all they want from you is love. This is the Queen of Cups. I feel like in their point of view, they feel like there's lots of love in this connection and they want this love back from you. This is the situation. Queen of Cups. First of all, they want you to be emotionally stable, and then after this emotional stability thing, they just want love and love and love in this connection from you. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups as what they want from you. Let's see. King of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Lovers could be dealing with a Gemini here. See, I told you, what this person wants is, they want you to be emotionally stable, mature and grounded. Not grounded in that way. They want you to come to a earthy level where you both are talking in a sense of maturity, with a sense of maturity with each other, and you are giving this connection another chance because they are highly attracted towards you, highly in love with you, and they feel like, yeah, you should just restart the loving connection. The Lovers. Can you see the Lovers here? Yes. They want love and love and love from you, and okay, they want you to give this connection another chance and be in a loving state of mind, be in a lover state of position right now with them. This is what they want from you, Gemini. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of August, or what will be the outcome for you till the end of August. Hermit, okay. So silence could be dealing with the Virgo here. This is the Hermit card. Although this person wants love from your side, although this person is feeling like, yeah, they need all the love of the universe from you, this silence. This is what is coming towards you. I don't feel like this person is going to reveal their feelings to you or tell them that exactly what they want from you. Although I feel like there's a message coming in towards you from their side, but this will be a message of simple plain hi or hello or how are you doing, and or just a start of the friendship thing from their side. But I don't think like this is kind of, energy of, yeah, let's start all over again, I love you. No, this is not, this is this kind of energy. You just have to wait for that. But yeah, definitely this is going on in their environment, in their energy, and they definitely want you back in their life, and they feel like you should love them, you should give them all the love of the universe. They want you to love them back, and they feel like the worst is over now, they can restart this connection. But still I feel like this person is going to take some time to analyze, to feel exactly what they want. Let's clarify. Nine of Cups, the Empress, the King of Wands. I don't see any couple here, so I feel like this person is right now feeling like, okay, they should work on themselves. They should work on their looks, and they should just look exceptionally good when they are coming towards you, and they should be just ready for the connection when they are coming towards you. This is the thing. Right now they are taking a break just to become something in their life, just to become good looking, just to work on themselves, or for some of you literal workout is there. And they feel like, yeah, although they are feeling passionate about you, they want to analyze, do are they in love with you. They want to analyze, they want to take time just to analyze, are they literally in love with you, or this is just a connection, or sorry, physical attraction or infatuation or something like that, or are they really wanting you. That's why they are taking a break. Yeah, because they want to know exactly what they want from life. This is the wish fulfillment card. Then the Empress card is telling me they want to work on themselves. Then the card of King of Wands is telling me they just want to analyze, like they are like deeply in love with you, or they just want to have a physical connection with you. That's why they are taking a break. That's why they are taking a break here, Gemini, because they feel like they just want to analyze from inside whether they are truly in love with you, or it's just an infatuation, or it's just a, kind of physical pull towards you. This is what they are right now. This is what is coming towards you. Silence. Silence is coming. Sorry, Gemini. Yeah, that was so lame. Yeah, I know. But yeah, this is what is coming towards you guys. I hope this is going to help you to find your purpose till the end of August. I'll see you soon in the video of September. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste from Anjali. Bye bye.